Hi guys, it's me, Brianna. 8 more days into Christmas, hooray! And I am 9 years old, and it is 2016. I am so excited for Christmas because I already know like 3 things that I'm getting: a GoPro camera, whatever it's called, a trampoline, and a gymnastics mat. I like, especially the gymnastics mat and trampoline. I love. I've been trampoline at my dad's house, and yeah. Anyway, Noah, you know my cousin Noah, the one that said he's annoying. Yeah, he's on his mum's phone, and Isaac, he's on his iPad, which is like on 4%. And yeah, that's really going on. It's really hot outside. It's really boring now because you can't really do stuff because it's really hot. And my mum is cooking some nuggets and chips for me and Isaac. No one else wants chips out of the kids. So yeah, that's mainly all I wanted to say. Hope you guys like my channels because yeah, you just should. So yeah, I might not do another video for today. And just to let you know, today is the 8th of December. Wait, no, the 17th of December, and it goes into Christmas. I already said that. Okay. Look at my nails. My mom did them.
Lucky for you guys, you're with the Wilderness X.
I can get real slow off my best worry. Yay.
That's where it comes from. Now, let us be one with nature, and the food will find us.
Sorry. And yeah, so that's me. Goodbye.
Wait,